I set off, I had no idea what lay ahead. Where would I go? What would I see? Who would I come to know? These magic, enchanted lands, teeming with life, glistening with hope, calling to be explored. I needed to see it with my own eyes, to live, to feel, to go beyond myself. Each day, a fresh view of an old world. I would tread these trodden paths, admire the clouds, bask in the sun, and wonder who else felt its glow. To explore dark caverns, to follow the footsteps of pioneers, to paddle these great rivers and fly far above, to exult in the electrifying power of life. So much unexplored, so much unknown, and yet all right there in front of us, calling, telling us to take a chance. We chose the mountains to be our compass, and let the trails set our pace. We reveled in the rain. We followed our hearts. We listened to the wind. We felt the power of the moment. We forgot our fears. I don't know where this mysterious road will go, or how it all ends. I can't imagine what lies beyond. I can't fathom what it's like to touch the sun or soar among the stars. But I have come to know the greatest thing we have is not ourselves, but each other.